All right. So guys, today we're going to do a quick lab on hydrolysis. All right. So what we're doing here is we're going to use this small, like 12-volt battery, I guess is what it is. And these alligator clamps hooked up to 2 pencils. Okay. Now you notice that there's cardboard here just to hold the pencils in. And then you have a beaker full of water. Notice that when I said hydrolysis, hydro means water. Okay. Hydrolysis, I want you to think back maybe 7th grade and 8th grade, what that cis portion means, because that's probably what we're getting at here, okay? So hydro meaning water, what does this mean? So we're gonna hook up one alligator clamp to the end of that pencil. I'm not really on it yet, but let me get it on there, all right? And then we're gonna take our other alligator clamp, this green one, we're gonna hook it up to our other pencil, just like you would a car battery, okay? So, in making sure that we get the clamp onto the lead of the pencil, because that's what we're aiming for there, all right? Now, once we get that in there, we're gonna let it sit for a bit. And I know you would think that, oh, this should be like shocking and we should see electricity and stuff. That is not what we're looking for here. What we are looking at is the process to begin by, if you look at the 2 pencils and you can see them, the one on the left should, and if I'm looking at this right, because I think I got my thing right, the one on the left will gather more bubbles possibly than the one on the right, or vice versa. It could be reversed, it just depends. But what we're going to do is we're looking for bubbles. So like if you look at the one on the right here, you can see that it's getting a lot of bubbles on the end of the pencil. This one on the left's got a few, but we're gonna give it some time. You can notice that maybe in the video, you may see little bits of bubbles coming up this one and kind of coming off of it, whereas the other one has got a little bit more sticking to it. So what your goal is here is to actually figure out, why are the bubbles building up on the ends of these pencils and what that might actually mean, okay? So again, I said this is hydrolysis. You could look it up online or you could take a guess. What are we doing here? What are those bubbles probably in that jar?